This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert from kilograms to stones online. So I like to use this site right here, Inch Calculator. You can see the URL right here, inchcalculator.com/convert/kilogram to stone. It's quite a long URL, so I'll put that URL in the video description so you can just click on that link and wind up here. You don't need to go searching or anything. So all you need to do from here, whether you're on your cell phone, your mobile phone, tablet, desktop, it doesn't matter. You don't need a special app or anything. We will just input the kilograms measurement. So I'll put 105 here, and we just click on the red convert button, and just like that we get 105 kilograms is 16.53 stones. And it will actually do this in stones and pounds pounds and ounces. If you want to be really precise, it breaks it down there and obviously changes the decimal position, as you can see there. I'll show you one more. Say it was like sort of 300 pounds, maybe we're doing like industrial equipment or animals or something. Whatever you need it for, click on convert, and we find out that 300 kilograms is in fact 47.24 stones. And we also get that obviously in pounds and ounces as well right there. So whatever you need this calculator for, highly recommend that you bookmark it if you're using this regularly. Maybe you need it every day, every few days, once a week, once a month, whatever it is. If you bookmark it, this site is always there for you. Hopefully you have found this video on how to convert from kilograms to stones online useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.